Investors don't just buy land randomly. They know how to spot tomorrow's gold mine today. As a realtor and as a number planner, I will show you the exact formula we use to identify land and multiply its in value, sometimes by 500% in just a few years. Whether in Lagos, London, New York, or Dubai, this is how smart investors pick winning locations before they skyrocket, before anyone else even knows about it. Now, number one is to follow the roads and infrastructure there. The first sign of high value land is infrastructure. Whenever you see any expressway, airport, bridge under construction, lands around that area tend to skyrocket. It never remain the same. The Lekki-Epe expressway in Lagos in 2010 we're selling for like 1 million naira. Some over 60 million now. So that's 60x in increase, more than that, just because of the road. Just imagine. And that is how it is globally. In Dubai, that's how it is. In US, that's how it is. Especially in Nigeria. So I see infrastructure as a life to learn. And that thing is government projects. When an university or a seaport or an industry hub is planned in an area, property shoot up with an increase there with speed. Then go take refinery in Lekki. Early buyers got it for like peanuts, but today investors are smiling to their banks. I'm telling you, even intentionally, we see all these things. In Houston, Texas, many medical centers there doubled in decades. Just follow the government big money projects. Investing around them, see how they succeed. They buy with billions, you secure your own with your small money, and then it becomes a huge amount later. Number three is understanding zoning. Not every land is meant for residential. Some are commercial, some are industrial, and zoning affects the future or the value of land. Affects value. Buying a land that is close to the road, later might turn up, becoming an office or a shopping mall. You understand? I'm a normal regional planner. I study government master plans. I help clients invest on the right places, so they won't make mistake and they fall into the traps of all these scammers. So there's another thing I want to tell you. What we call case study, urban regional planning, which is an illustration I want to give you. Lands in Lekki, for example, those days that are now those places they bought are now seaports and now trade zones, strategic places. So that's it. The same now is happening in Asaba, in Port Harcourt, even across Africa. Just even if you have been to Rwanda, Kigali, you will understand what I'm talking about. You see what is going on there. So that's the secret. Don't wait until an area is popular. Buy and wait. You understand? Buy before it shines, before that place becomes a center of attraction. As a man plan, help clients abroad, globally to buy nice locations, strategic locations, safe and secured way. If you want me to analyze location for you before you get a property, you can reach out to me today. I can help you with that. So you can buy tomorrow's fortune. You want that thing that you want to leave as a legacy. You have all those things. Whoever remain happy for that. Yes. Thank you very much. I'm your boy Ozal Chinedu. Yeah. See you in my next video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you very much. See you.